The third problem, I'm talking about the third problem. This is raw material store, as we discussed. This is a WIP. Right. Now, WIP, what is going to happen is, this is process 1, and then there is a place where they store the stock, right? What it means is, this is process 1 and this is process 1 stock, which means process 1, once you finish, doesn't go here, it goes here. So therefore, in process 1, you will have opening stock, and then item is coming here, then from here it goes here, then balance is your closing stock. This is opening, this is coming from process 1. From here it is going to process 2 as input. This is process 2. So the difference between the first and the second problem is that the only this thing is that it doesn't go directly. It has to go through the stock area, where once it is finished, it comes to stock. From here it will be going. So then how will it be going to the other one? We will see that. The way the problem is given, we will see that. Same here, this is process 2 stock. This is process 3 stock, stock area, stock quantity or whatever area. From here only it will go to finished goods. So you'll have to do one more ledger account where you will call process 1 stock, process 1 stock. This is process account. This is process 1 stock. This is process account, process 2 account. This is process 2 stock. This is process 3 account, process 3 stock. Okay. So let us look at problem. Ines, read this problem, please. Fast.
The product manufactured by Alkali Limited passes through three processes, 1, 2, and 3. The following costs have been incurred for the month of April. Details: material consumed, direct wages, direct expenses, total, output units, finished process stock on 1st April and 30th April, stock valuation on 1st April, rupees per unit, percentage of wastage, net realizable value of wastage per unit. 4,000 units of raw material were introduced in process 1 at a cost of 80,000. Stock are valued and transferred to subsequent process at weighted average cost.
Now
The
they are saying,
percentage
wait. They are saying that it will be done on weighted average from the process that we'll see next.
the percentage of wastage is computed entering the process concerned. Prepare process accounts, process stock account, normal wastage account, abnormal wastage, or effective gain account along with necessary work.
Yeah. So this is exactly, there's only differences that it cannot go directly from one to the other. It has to go through the process account. So I'll show you first one. The other one you have to do it. It's all same like the earlier one, process account. Here also you have to do quantity for the process stock account. I'm not doing the abnormal normal that you can do it. So this is process 1 account. This is process 1 stock. So if you look at the first thing, to raw material basic, because if you look at how much has been introduced raw material, it is given here 4,000 units. Okay, next we have also given further direct raw material used no quantity to labor or wages to direct expenses. These are the costs that is given. Value you can put it. The output here is by process stock account 1. Process 1 stock account. How much? 3,900. And in the finished goods, process 1, to opening stock, it is 600. By closing stock, by balance, you cannot write by balance carried down, right? Opening by balance brought down 600 and closing is 500. Now from where I am writing, it is from here. The 600, are you able to see the 600? Are you able to see the 600 here? These are the quantities I am writing. Now, quantitative reconciliation as usual by normal loss. How much they have told? They are saying 2%. 2% normal loss. Percentage of which is 2%. So 2% is coming to 80. Therefore, 4,000. 4,000. Therefore, this quantity is how much? Please tell me what is the quantity here? What is the quantity, please?
20.
20. So now we have quantitative details is over. Here also we can do this process 3,900 will come from process 1 3,900. Therefore again do the reconciliation 4,500 4,500. Therefore this is what is going to process 2 4,000 quantity. Now when you do this one value that is given as 80,000. Direct raw material 40,000, 45,000, 41,000. Total is 2,06,000. This value, scrap value at the rate of rupees 50.27. So that is coming to the way I am writing, the way if you do, then you will not have a problem. 2160. Therefore, on what basis we will do? 2,06,000 minus 2160 divided by 4,000 minus scrap quantity 80. So how much is it coming to Venus? Venus
52.
52. Now this one will be multiplied by 52. How much is it? 52 into 3,900.
2,02,800.
2,800. Therefore, that will be the value here. And they have told as far as, therefore, this will be the balancing figure. You can multiply at the rate of 52. But as I told you, you put the balancing figure. How much is the balancing figure here? 20 to 52 is 1040. Ensure that this total and this total are tallying. Otherwise, round it off here. Now here, this one they have told should be valued at what price? The opening stock should be valued at 49. They're given, you look at stock valuation, 1st April is 49. The 49 of this thing is how much? Venus, how much is it?
29,400.
29,400. Now they are saying this one should be valued at weighted average. Now weighted average, how will do? Take the total of this. How much is the total of this? 29,400 plus this. Venus?
2,32,200.
200. Therefore, 2,32,200 divided by 4,500. How much you are getting, Venus?
51.6.
51.6. So 51, this will be at 51.6. This one also will be 51.6. So how much is it? 4,000 into 51.6.
2,06,400.
2,06,400. Therefore, how much is this? You can take it as balancing figure or value it also. How much is the balance? Venus?
25,800.
800. Abnormal normal will continue the way we have done earlier. Same way. You have to open ledger account. You have to do that. All those things. But the difference here is this quantity used to go directly from here to the next process. But here it is coming in stock, then weighted average basis. So the value will change, mind you, the way we are doing. Here you are doing weighted average. Is it clear? Maria, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
The only difference is that it is just going to process, through process it is going to process 3. Valuation will change. Here you would have valued at 52. Here you are valuing at 51.6. See the difference. Have you understood? Aparna, have you understood? In the old method, you would have taken to the next process at 52 in the earlier first problem method. But here, see, you're transferring at 51. There is a valuation difference. Quantity also will be different. Okay. So what you need to do is in the break, you copy this and do the same way for process 2 and 3. There are 3 processes. Process 2 and 3. Please complete it. Don't worry about normal and abnormal. Let it be there. That account we will handle it later. But do these 2 accounts. Process, this one you complete. Then process 2 account and process 2 stock. Process 3 account and process 3 stock. These 2 only you need to do. Okay. We'll meet at 8 o'clock.